Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic, hydrolysis of salts. What is hydrolysis of salts? We should know. And then salts is dissolved in water. What type solution we get is we should know here. The interaction of salts with water. When salt dissolve in water, it gives acidic solution, basic solution or neutral solution is called hydrolysis of salts. That means after dissolving salts in water, it may give acidic, basic or neutral solution is called hydrolysis of salts. In another word, the interaction of the ions of the salts with H plus and OH minus ions of the water to give acidic, basic or neutral solution is called salt hydrolysis. Okay dear student, now we have different kinds of salt solution. It may be acidic, basic or neutral solution. Let us see by giving example one by one. First of all, hydrolysis of strong acid and weak base. First, hydrolysis of strong acid and weak base. Okay dear student, when strong acid and weak base, that means in this hydrolysis when salt is dissolved, the solution obtained acidic in nature. Okay dear student, let us see. Suppose we have FeCl3, example FeCl3. When dissolved in water H2O, it forms FeOH whole thrice into HCl. Okay dear student, let us multiply it with 3 to balance the hydrogen atom. Here 3 and 3, 6. Okay, and this is weak base, and this is strong acid. That means this salts formed by combining strong acid and weak base, and after dissolving in water it gives weak base and strong acid. That means the solution must be acidic in nature. Okay dear student, because here is strong acid, and strong acid means that acid is completely ionized in water. That means the concentration of H plus ion should be greater than the concentration of OH minus ion in this solution. So the nature of solution will be acidic. Okay dear student, let us see another example. Now, hydrolysis of salts of weak acid and strong base. Next, we part hydrolysis of salt of a strong base and weak acid. In this hydrolysis, the solution obtained would be the basic nature. Okay, that means the solution after dissolving salt in water, the solution formed will be basic in nature. Okay dear student, and the concentration of hydroxide ion should be greater than the concentration of H positive ion. Okay dear student, so this indicates the solution become after dissolving salt in water is basic in nature. Okay, so see here the example, when sodium carbonate Na2CO3, you know this is a salt, when dissolved in water H2O, it forms carbonic acid and NaOH. Carbonic acid H2CO3 and NaOH. carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. Here 2 sodium, so multiplied with 2. Okay, dear student, I think this reaction is balanced reaction. 2 to 4, no. Now reaction is balanced reaction. Okay, dear student, and this reaction should be a reversible reaction. Then weak acid and strong base. That means when we dissolve this salt in water, it gives basic in nature. Basic nature. Okay, clear? Next one is hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Hydrolysis of salt of a weak acid and weak base. Okay, dear student, in this hydrolysis, the solution obtained after dissolving the salts may be acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the nature of acids or base dissolved in the water. Okay, dear student, ammonium acetate. Now we have a CH3COONH4. This is known ammonium acetate, and second one is ammonium carbonate NH4 twice CO3. It will give the acidic nature while it will give the basic nature. Okay, dear student, and here the ammonium carbonate, the hydroxide ion, concentration of hydroxide ion should be equal to concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, this gives the neutral solution. Okay, let us see the another example. Another example here. Another salts of strong acid and strong base. Salts of strong acid and strong base. Okay, salts of strong acid and strong base, they do not undergo hydrolysis in water and their aqueous solution is neutral in nature. That means they are not undergo hydrolysis. Okay, and if they are not go hydrolysis, that means the hydroxide ion is equal to hydrogen ion. That means the solution will be neutral in nature. Okay, dear student, the example of this salt here, example NaCl, KCl and potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, etc. Okay, these are the salts made by the reaction of strong acid and strong base, and they are neutral in nature in aqueous medium because they do not go hydrolysis with water. Okay, dear student, so we have finished the properties, all the properties of salts and also hydrolysis of salts. In next video we will discuss about the preparation of salts. Okay, thank you, all the best.